big changes are coming to Toyota's best-selling SUV. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 has been completely redesigned. With a bolder look, better efficiency, and a hybrid-only lineup. Is this the ultimate compact SUV? Stick around to find out. A completely new design. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 ditches its sleek curves for a boxier, more rugged shape. The windshield is now more upright, and the rear has a squared-off design, boosting cargo space. Plus, the taillights are wider and longer, giving it a more aggressive stance. Up front, the RAV4 takes inspiration from the luxurious Toyota Crown, featuring sleeker headlights and a thin LED light bar stretching across the grille. The bold lower grille adds a confident, upscale look, making this the most stylish RAV4 yet. Hybrid-only power. Toyota is making a major shift. The 2026 RAV4 will only come as a hybrid. You'll have two choices. Standard hybrid, estimated 39 miles per gallon combined. Plug-in hybrid, up to 42 miles electric-only range. Rumours suggest it may use the same hybrid system as the new Camry. A 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine, plus dual electric motors. Delivering 225 horsepower, front-wheel drive, 232 horsepower, all-wheel drive. Pricing and release date. Launching late 2025. Hybrid first, then plug-in hybrid. Starting price around $35,000. Competing with Honda CR-V Hybrid, Ford Escape Hybrid. What do you think of the 2026 RAV4's bold new look? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more first looks at upcoming cars.